So in this class we start aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Now if we have C double bond O group, this is called your carbonyl group, that is divided into aldehyde. If it is one hydrogen is there, this one is called aldehyde. If both the groups are R groups are there, this one is your ketone. Now if in one place if we have OH group, this is called carboxylic acid. Now carboxylic acid OH can be replaced by Cl, so it is called acid chloride. Then OH can be replaced by NH2, then that become acid amide. So this is acid anhydride. Your this part is replaced by OCOR. Now IUPAC naming in this one, actually naming starts from nearer carbon nearer to CO group. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is pentane. Pentane dash is replaced by ONE, 2-on, pentane 2-on. So here it is carbon, CHO group is there, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Fourth carbon means butane. Butane 1-Al or butanol is sufficient. Whereas cyclic ketone is there, so that is cyclohexanone. If it is like that, then 1, 2, so it is benzene dash 1, 2 dash dicarbonaldehyde. So this one become carbonaldehyde if CHO group is there outside the ring. This is called carbonaldehyde. Next, we have structure of carbonyl group. So CO bond is here. If it is goes to this one, so C single bond O. This is a sigma bond. This is sigma bond. This is sigma bond. This is pi bond. The pi bond, carbon electronegativity is 2.5. This is 3.5. So obviously pi bond is more towards oxygen atom. It is shown like that. The electron density moves towards oxygen atom. So since oxygen is more powerful, takes away the electron pair. So oxygen become negative charge, carbon become positive charge. With negative charge, it acts as Lewis base, and with positive charge, it acts as Lewis acid. This is your neutral structure. This is your dipolar structure. Now moving towards preparation of aldehyde. From nitriles you can prepare, there is 2 hydrogen will come here, 1 hydrogen goes to that one hydrogen goes to this one. Look, CH double bond NH. Now if you do hydrolysis, then what happens, 2 OH cover this one, 2 H cover this one, there is a loss of ammonia takes place, NH3, and then it is RCH OH. The 2 of OH or 1 oxygen carbon atom is unstable situation, so there will be loss of water takes place, gives us RCH double bond O. So this is aldehyde is prepared from acyl chloride in presence of poison PD and BSO4. If a loss of HCl takes place, the product looks like that. This is benzaldehyde. From substituted benzene, Cl2 is there, so it will be CH2Cl. Now again one Cl2 in each new, it becomes CHClCl. So in presence of H3O positive, it is hydrolyzed, so it will be like that, CHOH. There is a loss of water. So benzaldehyde will be formed like that. Next, by Gattermann-Koch reaction. In Gattermann-Koch reaction, A acid, A anhydride. Acid is your HCl, then anhydrous AlCl3. The two A meaning acid HCl and anhydrous AlCl3. Then another one is carbon monoxide. If you consider here hydrogen, then these three forms CHO. It is important because from benzene directly converted to benzaldehyde. Now we are learning preparation of ketone. So this is dialkyl cadmium, two alkyl group on cadmium. So this is your dialkyl cadmium. When react to it acyl chloride, there is a loss of CdCl2 and RCO dash. So there will be twice RCO dash plus CdCl2. So from nitriles also you can prepare, which is del plus, this is del minus, this is del minus, this is del plus. So RC, that triple bond become double bond, and 1C, this negative part will attach to this positive. This is C6H6. On nitrogen we have MgBr. If you do hydrolysis, then these two bond breaks. There will be two OH on that carbon, two hydrogen goes to this one. So there will be like that. It is C6H6 OH, loss of water gives us the product. This is how the ketone is prepared. From benzene also you can prepare ketone. It will be loss of HCl there. From benzene we can prepare ketone like that. Now we are switching to next part is chemical reaction of aldehyde and ketone. The aldehyde ketone possesses same type of chemical reaction because they possess same functional group CO. So if it is nucleophile is there, we know obviously this is positive part, this is negative part. Nucleophile going to attach to this carbon. So C, AB, O negative, then nucleophile attached to this one. Nucleophile catch that hydrogen. So C, AB, OH, and then nucleophile. The nucleophilic addition of hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide is also at similar manner. So C double bond O, this one clip out. This is like that. Bonding is spread like that. Actually, if his bonding is like that spread, it will be like that. So this bond is spread like that. So O will take hydrogen because O is negative, hydrogen is positive, and this part will take the CN. This is called cyanohydrin. Now mechanism for this reaction. Now first of all, HCN reacting with the sodium hydroxide forming water and Cn negative nucleophile generate. The Cn will attack here, oxygen goes here, then H positive, OH and Cn. Addition of Grignard reagent. So obvious it is positive negative, it is negative positive, they add it like that. This double bond clip out like that. O negative will take MgBr and carbon will attach to its CH3, then do hydrolysis. Hydrolysis breaks up this one, this is goes H, this is goes H, so that gives the product as alcohol. From Grignard reagent we are getting alcohol. Next one is addition of alcohol. Addition of alcohol, formation of acetyl and ketones. If I add alcohol to this one, presence of H positive, alcohol, this part remember positive, this part is this part is negative and this part is positive. So this is plus minus, you add the respective plus minus to that one, this is minus, so OR comes to that one over, this is hydrogen. Again this part positive, this part negative, this part positive, the OR is negative. So if you do hydrolysis, hydrogen goes there, OR comes here. So OR, if I put OR dash, this is OR RO dash, this is RO dash, this is your acetyl, this is hemiacetyl. Now ketone does not react with the alcohol, it directly reacts with the glycol. So there is a loss of water takes place and we are getting the product is like that. This is called cyclic kettle. Addition of ammonia. Ammonia is NH3. Actually H2 and another hydrogen in place of that one we put the Z. And in this reaction also there is a loss of water get the product. In all the maximum reaction, loss of water gives you the product. Now similarly reaction, if you loss of water takes place, that Z may be hydrogen, R, OH, NH2, C6H5, NH, this etc. So if there is a loss of water takes place, then we have the product like that. In this reaction, if there is a loss of water takes place, the product is like that. In this reaction, if the loss of water takes place, product is like that. Up to this today. Thank you.